What's up, guys? Is there? Yes, cameraman.
I'm bold.
we're gonna be playing with some RC cars of mine. I got that one at Walmart.
That rock
It's called, I don't know what it's called, Rocky something. And this one
is called the fucked up car.
yes, it's all red. And
That's Tanner Fox car. No.
it's all fucked up. But it
Hashtag.
still works. But the fucking motor sounds really bad.
Look at these. Look at these. Look at these.
This is how much noise it makes. This one is the fastest by far, but okay. This one doesn't need batteries at all. You can just charge it. Yeah, okay. Well, of course, his is gonna win. Mine sucks balls. No, literally, that one sucks.
Mira.
It can go on dirt and grass, but it sucks. This is how tiny the control is. That's how big that one is. I recommend this one, but you need to put new batteries. Maybe on flatland it's kind of fast, but you can go on dirt. Look at this one. Oh shoot. Check it out. This one can't go on dirt very well, but it does work. It gets stuck a lot. That one, it can go through like this part of area. That one can't go that well, but it can go on on dirt, but it can't really go on that kind of grass and all that. That one doesn't work that much. It needs batteries. It goes really fast, but I don't know. That one, you see, it slows down and it makes that noise. That one, I think, is pretty strong. We should have got some rope or some tape, and we should have taped the back sides and then. Look at this. Nope, not a thing. I gotta go through over here. Go through over there on the grass. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so blurry. This can't go that well. That one can. Take it on here. I'm gonna turn it off for now. This is, you don't need batteries. You can just charge it, but you need a cube like from a phone. You can't. You can just take off the cord from your phone charger and then use the cube. Turn it off. I think it goes way faster on the back side, but it goes very slow by front. See, this one can go on there, that one can't. Oh my god. Bring it back. Doesn't turn that well, but this thing does need batteries. That's what sucks about this car. That's why it doesn't go that fast. This car, you just charge it for a couple of 10 minutes and it goes very fast. This one, not so much. And it stops every time we don't pull. We don't. I don't know, but it feels weird when you drive this. Trying to push me, boy. Okay.
el otro.
Okay. We're gonna press pause for now. Okay. This one goes fast, but it makes shit ton of noise. It doesn't stop that much. But it's all fucked up by the color. All this was white. No, it's not. It's all red. Half red, half white. Comment down below which one we should use for you know, like when we're playing soccer trick shots or like stuff like that. Comment down below which one we should use. I'd recommend this one. It's very silent, not that much. It doesn't go very fast. This one very, very fast, but a lot of noise. So yeah, comment down below which one we should use for all that, and subscribe. Turn on our
Shout out to Eric Leales, Sebastián.
shout out to Dion and Jose. So this car's all fucked up. Can't go through grass or anything. Okay, we'll see you on the next video, and yeah, peace.